Riders on the Storm, there won't be any killer on the road here, just smart gadgets for making every ride smarter and safer. Some of these gadgets help you stand out on busy roads so other drivers actually notice you. Others bring new levels of performance, turning a regular ride into something that feels closer to a premium ride. And a few are the kind of gadgets you hope you never need, but are glad you have when you are stuck in trouble. Number 10. Ticc Blinker. If you like the idea of arm-mounted indicators, this next gadget takes a different approach with the same goal, keeping your hands on the handlebars while still communicating clearly on the road. The Ticc Blinker is a compact rear-mounted signaling device that clips directly onto your helmet. Once attached, it tracks your head movement to trigger directional signals. Turn your head to the right and it signals right, turn left and it responds instantly, alerting traffic behind you without requiring any manual input. The device is not limited to bicycles either, it also works well with scooters and skateboards. Powered for up to 10 hours on a single charge, it's built for daily commuting and longer rides, focusing on visibility, awareness, and simplicity in motion. Number 9. CoreCap. Not every ride needs more apps, more screens, or bulky gadgets strapped to the handlebars. Sometimes, simplicity is the real upgrade. That's where the CoreCap bike computer comes in. Instead of adding another device to your cockpit, it hides neatly inside the steerer tube of almost any bike. Once installed, it keeps your handlebars clean while still giving you access to all the essential ride data right in front of you. The system powers on automatically as soon as your ride begins, so there's no need to remember a start button or open an app before rolling out. Everything is ready the moment you are. Number 8. ReTyre skins. It might sound unusual at first, but the idea makes sense once you see it in action. Just like you switch shoes depending on weather or terrain, your bike can now adapt the same way with ReTyre skins. This zip-on tire system lets you change the surface of your bicycle tires in seconds without removing the wheels. Instead of swapping entire tires, you simply attach a different outer skin depending on road conditions. Rain, dry asphalt, gravel, or mixed terrain each has its own compatible layer. The process is quick. Zip off one skin, zip on another, and you're ready to ride again in under a minute. The materials are flexible and lightweight, yet built to handle tough riding conditions, while reinforced zippers are designed to hold up under pressure and repeated use. Number 7. Granite Stash Mini Tool. When you're out on the road, bike problems rarely announce themselves in advance. That's why having tools always within reach can make a big difference. The Granite Stash RCX Stealth Mini Tool offers a clever solution by storing a compact repair kit directly inside your bike's steerer tube. Installation takes just a couple of minutes, and once it's in place, it stays hidden but ready whenever you need it. Inside the kit is a set of 8 essential tools for common roadside fixes. It includes 6 hex bits, a Torx driver, a flathead screwdriver, and a spoke key compatible with a range of wheel setups. Everything is arranged for quick access, so small adjustments and emergency repairs don't slow you down. Number 6. Flasher Armband Set. When night falls and visibility drops, staying seen on the road becomes just as important as staying balanced. That's where this next safety gadget steps in. The Flasher Armband set is designed around simple, hands-free signaling. Instead of taking your hand off the handlebars to indicate a turn, you just lift your elbow slightly on the direction you intend to go. The armband instantly responds by flashing a turn signal, helping communicate your movement clearly to others while keeping both hands in full control of the bike. It also includes an automatic emergency brake light function. When sudden deceleration is detected, both armbands light up in red, alerting traffic behind you without any extra input from the rider. Number 5. RubbeeX Electric Bicycle Conversion Kit. Thinking about an e-bike but not ready to spend on a full upgrade? This next option offers a middle ground that transforms a regular bicycle into something much more capable. The RubbeeX Electric Bicycle Conversion Kit is designed to attach to almost any standard bike, turning it into an e-bike in just about 10 minutes. Installation is simple, using a few Allen bolts and zip ties to secure the unit in place. Inside the system is a compact motor that drives the rear wheel, giving the bike electric assistance when you need it. Depending on the setup and battery configuration, it can support rides of up to around 30 miles and reach speeds of roughly 20 miles per hour. Number 4. Eesens Shield. One of the standout upgrades for modern riders is the Eesens Shield, a two-piece system for making cycling safer and more intuitive. It includes a tail light that mounts directly onto the bike and a sensing controller that attaches to your helmet. Together, they work like a communication link between your head and your bike. When you turn your head to check traffic, the system automatically triggers the corresponding turn signal, making your intentions clear without any extra effort. The brake light also activates on its own when you slow down, helping alert vehicles behind you. The tail light adjusts its brightness automatically, staying visible in both daylight and low-light conditions. Beyond lighting, the system adds a built-in alarm to deter theft, along with a mobile app that helps you quickly locate your bike in crowded parking areas. Number 3. Skarper eBike Conversion Kit. If the RubbeeX felt like a clever shortcut into e-biking, the Skarper system takes a different approach, focusing on speed of installation and clean integration. This conversion kit is made specifically for bikes with disc brakes. Instead of adding an external motor unit or straps, it replaces your rear disc rotor with a specially engineered drive system. Once installed, the bike can switch between regular and electric assistance without permanently changing its core setup. What makes it stand out is how quickly it can be attached or removed. The entire unit can be clipped on or detached in just a single click, giving riders flexibility depending on the ride. Skarper also offers multiple versions tailored to different riding needs, allowing users to choose a setup that matches their terrain and usage style. The focus here is simplicity, quick transformation, and keeping the bike as close to its original feel as possible when the system is not in use. Number 2. Bike covers. Ever tried getting your bike into a car without turning the interior into a mess? That's exactly the problem this next gadget is here to solve. This simple but clever bike cover, often described as a wheel sock, is made for all types of bicycles and packs down small enough to fit in a backpack. It's built from a tough, durable fabric that resists tearing, even with repeated use. The idea is straightforward. Slip the cover over your bike in just a few seconds, and it keeps dirt, water, and grease contained while you transport it. Number 1. Granite Tire Plug-and-Chain Tool. A punctured tire or a broken chain can ruin a ride instantly, but this next set of tools is built to keep you moving when things go wrong. From the same manufacturer comes a mini repair system specifically for roadside emergencies. For tire damage, a reamer is used first to clean and widen the puncture, preparing the area for a secure repair. After that, a plug tool with a forked applicator is used to insert the seal, closing the hole and getting the tire back in working condition quickly. Alongside it is a dedicated chain tool that can handle sudden chain breaks or failures. That wraps up today's lineup of bike gadgets and upgrades. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.